An important discussion is that we have a disease called diabetes mellitus, also known as diabetes or sugar disease. So we really need to understand why it's even called diabetes in the first place, right? Why is it called mellitus specifically, if you will, indeed? Why is it linked to sweetness like that? What's the connection all about? It's because in the past, particularly when lacking sufficient information and adequate diagnostic tools available back then to doctors, they were seeing sudden changes happening in the bodies of some people, both young and also very, very old, truly. The most common change is that the person urinates a lot, the volume of their urine increases, and the frequency of urination increases. Every time he urinates, he produces a lot of urine. Therefore, it's often said that this condition could be polyuria. A condition where the patient frequently urinates is called diabetes, which is derived from diuresis, meaning excessive urination, and used to introduce the disease. So that's diabetes up to this point. Now, why sweet? Why mellitus, meaning honeyed? Because they noticed ants gathering where these people urinated, somewhere to relieve themselves. Back then there weren't toilets and such. It was a desert, this kind of thing. Then they noticed that ants were gathering in the urine of other people around them, but wherever these guys went and urinated, ants would gather there. They concluded that urine probably has a certain taste. In fact, the most common taste that ants are drawn to is definitely pure sweetness. That's why they named it mellitus, meaning honeyed or sweet, and referring to diabetes, because blood sugar levels rise significantly in this condition. They called it diabetes for that reason, essentially.